Back in Glenwood, just for a couple days. We're leaving tomorrow, actually. We got here yesterday. We're leaving tomorrow. Actually, I don't know what we're doing tomorrow. Dan's got to be in Aspen for a meeting at some point this week. But we have options, man. We might go to Lions, or we might go to Slide, or we might stay here and surf the wave. Hot springs are here. I don't know what we're going to do. We'll figure it out. Maddie's stitches come out on Wednesday. So I'm going to meet my bestest friend ever and her 2 kids at the, maybe she's bringing 3 of her kids, I don't know, at the park. Woo, you cannot sit together.
Danny's coming, Danny's 13. He's older. Then he gets to start.
You want to come take your shoes and talk to? We were heading, me and Grady were heading to the P.O. box to get all of our swag out of the P.O. box. And just at the bottom of our hill, there's an accident. A white Suburban went off the road and ran right into a tree. So they said that she was moving, but she wasn't responding. So I think she's okay. So it was kind of scary. So yeah.
Everyone say prayers for the person who crashed.
Well, I think it might have been a bad idea to leave because there's the car, fire truck. Now we're stuck down here. That guy right there is super nice. But now
all the cop cars on the road.
Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And another one on the intersection.
Yeah, so he's the one telling everybody that we have to go this way. So now we're totally stuck.
Hey, wait, there's a bus. And a cop car.
Is that him?
Could be. They're letting cars through.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to City Market. Where do you want to go now?
Oh, they are on the stretcher.
Oh, yeah.
Show the back. Oh, look, they strapped it so it wouldn't fall.
Yeah.
I think they do have a tow truck up there. The car's moving. They're pulling it up. See that? Back door's not closing.
I think it's from an artist. Alright, let's go.
We can't go yet.
kidding me. Got a spray
They
skirt.
hit the first tree, Brody.
What?
They hit a tree on their right side, and then one hit the second tree. Because there's this one tree that like their branch is gone, and there's like the side of it was just like shredded, like cut off, and then it kept up. Oh my gosh, there was traffic from out here. They wouldn't let it go down. But and then there was that tree that they hit.
Look what came in the mail. U.S. Department of State. Official mail, baby. Passports!
It's sweet. We were looking all.
I didn't get my passport. They rejected my application, saying that my proof that I'm a U.S. citizen is not accurate. It's not enough. What the heck? It makes absolutely no sense. So if it's not enough proof, then how come my kids can have one? It just kind of ticks me off a little bit, considering any Joe Schmo can get into the country. And, except for me.